Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the airplanes dance trend. It's super easy, y'all. This is not my choreography. I will tag the original creator below. This is the original dance trend, the flash mob dance trend. I've seen a couple different ones, so this is the original to the best of my knowledge. It's just my interpretation though. We're going to break down the moves nice and slow, step by step, using a lot of repetition, having some fun. Please note this video is the tutorial only, so we're not going to do it with music in this video. However, I have a separate video where I will dance it with music at a couple different tempos, and that one's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice with music. All right, let's dance. Here we go. We're breaking the moves down into counts of 8, and we have 5 total. Our first 8 count, it's the airplane. So you're going to take your arms straight. They're going to go in a diagonal, and then they're going to fly around as if they were connected like this. And you're just going to have a little bounce with it. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a little harder than it looks. I'm going to put my right arm up first. You do whatever you want to. It's a dance trend, y'all. 5, 6, 7, airplane. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, fantastic job. When you're ready, we're going to add our second 8 count. So we did our airplane arms, we bounced. You're going to step out to your left, and we're going to take this right arm in a fist, and it's going to pull back twice. 1, 2, and then we're going to lean to the right, 3, 4, and just look over that shoulder. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to repeat it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, again, 5, 6, 7, step left. We go left for 2, then look to the right. Left for 2, then look to the right. Our first 2 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, we're in airplane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right arm, then look to the left, then look. Yeah, very nice. Our third 8 count, we're moving right along. We just looked. We're going to take our feet back together and repeat the airplane step. So you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Our 38 counts. There's 2 more, but for now, these 3 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step to your left, then look, then left, then look. Repeat the airplane. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Our fourth 8 count, after we repeated the airplane step, I'm going to step back out to the left again, and we're going to pull the elbows down as it crosses the body. So you're going pull and pull. Just try this. Pull and pull. Do it again. We go pull and pull. Yeah, you're going to do 4 of those. So we did 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to clap on 8. Jump together, jump up, whatever you want to do. So there's 4 elbows and then clap on 8. Looks like this. 5, 6, right elbow goes elbow and elbow and elbow. Now we clap on 8. Yeah. Our first 4 8 counts. You're doing great. 5, 6, 7, airplane goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step up, 2, look, do it again. 5, 6, 7, repeat the airplane. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Elbows go right and left and right and left together. Yeah, great job. All right, 5th and final 8 count. You're doing amazing. We jumped or clapped together. We're going to slide to the left, and as you do, your arms are going to go away, and then they're going to go up. So we're going left, together, up, down. Then you're going to go right, together, up, down. Left, together, up, down. Right, together, up, down. So we're going slide, up, slide, up. If you want to do like a little knee pop when your arms go up, you can. So you would, I guess. It's all for fun. You cannot mess it up. If you're moving, you're doing it right. So I'm gonna go slide and then do my knees out when the arms go up, and then slide, pop, slide, pop, slide, pop. Yeah, there's gonna be 4 total. Left, right, and that's it. Then you're done. Here we go. 5, 6, slide to the left we go. Slide, pop, slide, up, slide, up, slide, up. You can turn your body. That was it, but I kept going. You can turn your body a little to the side to give it a little more something. It looks great. It looks fine. You're doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. Here we go. Last day count one more time. 5, 6, slide it to the left we go. Slide, pop, slide. 2 more times. 6, 7. Then you're just gonna dance around whatever you want to do. Woo! All right, that was fun. Let's go all the way back to the top, put all 5 of our counts together, a super duper slow. So we're gonna start with our airplane. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, airplane. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step left, arm goes up for 2, then look to the right. Up for 2, then look. Airplane again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right elbow we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clap. 8 we go. Left, right, pop, left and right. Yeah, fantastic job. Let's do it one more time here together, a little faster to the tempo of the song. Remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6. I believe in you. 5, 6. Right arm airplane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7. Airplane goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We clap. Then slide to the left and right and left and right and dance. Party. Woo! Amazing job. And that was our tutorial, a short and sweet dance, just for fun, y'all. A TikTok trend is just for fun. You cannot mess it up. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, if you're looking for the music, it's in a separate video that I'll link down in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready to practice with music. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you had fun today. Please go have a wonderful rest of your day. Be kind to yourself and kind to others. And please come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.